everyday activity of an LMU student. At the top of the hill, he has potential energy. As he takes off, that potential energy is then converted into kinetic energy.
The illustration shows the path of the skateboarder as he is at the top of the hill next to the Jamba Juice and skates downward towards the freshman dorms. The givens are: the mass of the skateboarder is 68 kilograms, his initial velocity is 0 meters per second. The final velocity we do not know. The gravity acting on the skateboarder is 9.8 meters per second squared. His initial height is 2 meters, the final height is 0 meters, and we assume that friction is negligible due to the wheels on the skateboard. Megan will now calculate the final speed of the skateboarder.
So to solve this problem, we're going to use the equation E initial is equal to E final. This equation then translates into initial kinetic energy plus initial potential energy is equal to final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. This is that equation expanded. So to solve this problem, we're going to put all the givens into the equation. So it goes 1/2 times the mass of 68 times the velocity initial, which is 0, squared, plus the mass again, 68, times gravity, 9.8, plus the initial height of 2 meters, is all equal to 1/2, the mass again, 68, times the final velocity, which we're trying to find, plus the mass, 68, times gravity, 9.8, times the final height, which is 0. As you can see, at the top of the hill, the skateboarder only has potential energy. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 0. At the bottom of the hill, the skateboarder only has kinetic energy. Therefore, the potential energy final is also equal to 0. We are left with 68 times 9.8 times 2 is equal to 1/2 the mass of 68 times the final velocity squared. This is then equal to the square root of 2 times 68 times 9.8 times 2 all over 68. As you can see, the masses cancel out, and velocity final is then equal to 6.26 meters per second, which is reasonable for a skateboarder skating down this hill.
As you can see, this problem follows the law of conservation of energy, which states, energy is neither created nor destroyed, it is merely converted. At the top of the hill, the skateboarder has potential energy. As he skates down to the bottom of the hill, that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Thank you very much for watching this video.